Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I've been away for a bit, but it's time to get back to some motorcycling action fairly soon. I'll give you a quick update. Since my last trip that I did down in September down the Idaho BDR, I've fallen prey to addiction. I'm sad to say that I have been thoroughly engrossed in pickleball. It's a terrible thing, constantly thinking about pickleball. I'm constantly dreaming of it, and all I want to do is go play pickleball. The poor bike has not gotten nearly the attention it deserved. So, as much as it pains me to go through rehab and the withdrawal process, in a few weeks I'll be embarking on an epic journey across Canada. So I'm going to drive across Canada and I'm going to explore the eastern provinces, starting in western Quebec, working my way east through Labrador and dropping down into Newfoundland and going through Prince Edward Island, Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, and probably finishing up in my hometown of Montreal. I don't know how long it's going to take, but I've got a couple months off from work. I've got a few new pieces of equipment that I'd like to show you. I've got the airbag vest. It goes under the jacket and it works on the battery pack here in the back. So to make it work, it's a bit annoying because you have to actually buy a subscription from In & Motion, which is what runs the GPS for the airbag to work. So you buy the subscription, you can buy a lifetime subscription, or you can pay yearly. It's like 160 bucks Canadian or something like that for a year, and you can suspend it for 4 months. So it's a bit annoying for the subscription, but I think for the safety factor, it's another piece of equipment that would be wise to have. I think for the summer, it's going to be really warm underneath the jackets, and for the airbag to work, you have to turn it on through the app, and that's a bit annoying. And if you forget, then the airbag won't work, so then it'll just be you wearing a warm vest in the middle of the summer. Got some fancy new gloves too. The first pair that I got actually had a rip in the stitching, so I got them replaced through warranty, which worked out since the first pair was a medium, and as I found out as I was actually riding, they were a bit too small, so these are a large. Not much has changed on the bike. I think I talked to you guys about this fake cruise control here. It's the cheap AliExpress version. I think it costs 35 bucks. I think there's a Atlas brand, which is like 200. It basically works the same way. You just click this down. This part here puts pressure on this side. It kind of keeps the throttle in place. So it works fairly good. It slowly starts to come off, but gives you a bit of a break. For 35 bucks and not the 200 that the official one costs, I think it's well worth the purchase. Other than that, I think my tires will be good until I get out east. Well, most of the ride out till I get to Quebec will be on pavement. But when I get out east, I'll look at getting some new tires. Other than that, I've got a few other goodies that I'm going to be bringing along this trip that I'll show you when I'm on the road. Otherwise, I'll just be preparing for this epic journey. So stay tuned for the Cross Canada adventure. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe.